Hurricane Laura. Bubbles on full power. And it looks like it's unraveling, like it's coming apart at the top. Let's see. You can see these bands as they're coming in, they just disappear. Do you see that? We'll see what happens with the rest of it, but this thing should turn off at some point, because right now it's feeling it. It's in pain right now. This thing right here is in pain. So it's either going to turn or it's going to come towards me and it's going to dissolve like it is doing right here on the top. But theoretically that's what it should do. No matter what though, I'm going to get the lowest surge on this side. If it comes in through here, I'm going to get the lowest wind and flood and all that on this side. The worst part's going to be over here for Louisiana. This whole coast right here in New Orleans is going to be hit hard. So I'll get back to you on the rest. Thank you. Oh, it's 9:44 a.m. 8:26.